Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Instagram with the account that owns the highlight you want to change. Tap your profile, then archive to find the story if it's no longer live. Once done, press the three dots to save or share. Make sure to have the destination ready. Decide whether you're adding to an existing highlight or creating a new one. You're preparing content and destinations simultaneously, so the move is immediate. This avoids losing stories or creating duplicate highlights later. Now you edit the highlight itself. Tap the highlight on your profile and choose Edit Highlight to see all included stories. You can deselect stories you no longer want, then hit Add to include the story you prepared from Archive. Once done, navigate Archive to pull older stories into the highlight. Make sure to preview the order because Instagram displays them chronologically. This step rearranges content and removes clutter, so the highlight reflects exactly what you want. Finish by tapping Done or Save, and then check your profile to confirm the highlight shows the moved story in the intended position. If the change doesn't appear immediately, force close the app, clear cache, or log out and back in. This often forces a refresh. If a story is missing from Archive, make sure Archive is enabled in Settings Privacy Story so Instagram retained it. Once resolved, re-edit the highlight and save again to complete the move.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.